Hello, investors. This is the weekly update of strategy and Metaplanet. For this video, I will show you the comparison on strategy and Metaplanet and why I think what I think is the next top what is the my next top target on Metaplanet and why I think is the next 130 or 100x uh, investment uh, thesis, right? So first of all, you can look that I draw here on MicroStrategy the amount of Bitcoin that they have in different parts in different parts of the let's say the cycle acquisition of their Bitcoin. You have at the bottom 0 Bitcoin in April 2020. Then you have a parabolic move, and at the top they already acquired 71k Bitcoins. This was around an 8x parabolic move. And after that, we have the bear market, right? And to me, this is the strategy first cycle. Then I think we are already like here, like in this circle on Metaplanet. This is what we are here. But if we take a look at the second cycle of strategy, at the bottom, they already acquired 132 Bitcoin, and at the top, 386,000 Bitcoin. And that was their acquisition. And this was the top of the the second cycle. And that was a 36x, around 36, 37x return. But here's the thing. If you draw a Fibonacci extension on the top to the bottom, you can see that a strategy uh, uh, complete a full Fib extension in the second cycle. And what I want you to do at this moment is take an image, a mental image of this, because we will do something also in Metaplanet. I will use the USD for this, and I already draw the amount of Bitcoin of Metaplanet. This is already its first cycle. The bottom is 0 Bitcoin as a strategy. In the top, 13k Bitcoin. At around this moment, they already have like 19k Bitcoin. And if you already know, they already approved a purchase of 210k Bitcoins for 2027. And this is the projection that we can rely on for our investment thesis, right? So now you already know why 34 cents is my target. But we want to know this $52 price target for its second cycle. And if I draw a Fibonacci extension from the top to what I think will be the bottom, you have your $52 price target. That's the 130x projection that I have. Even if one thing, even if we think is, let's say, within the top, the bottom is around $1, that I don't think that is the bottom. The full fee extension give us $50. And if I draw it further down, you can see that the full field extension doesn't change too much. So I will leave it here because that's the target. And yes, basically this is how I arrive. And I will show you also, I think we'll put the comparison of, let's say, I have the image here. This is MicroStrategy. I will delete this. This is MicroStrategy on the weekly. And Metaplanet also on the weekly. I will. So again, I think that that's a very good comparison. And yeah, so basically that's it. You can check those. Again, I think we are here, like in the circle, like in the middle of the bear market. We are like here. In the thesis is already the projection of the 10K Bitcoin will be like here, and the top, the projected top, right? So that's the main thesis. I will keep you updated in a weekly basis if anything change, because this is a dynamic market. Maybe some things change, but overall, this is the thesis. And maybe this is your 100x investment. Like the video, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.